Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, let's quickly learn how we can add a Google Maps link to the address in the WordPress website. Now in the Click and Capture Studio, if we scroll down completely down, in one of the last session we have learned how we can design a beautiful footer, right? And on the footer we have mentioned the contact details where we can see the address. Now it is completely a text and it is not a clickable link. Now the client Click and Capture Studio have raised one of the requests stating that if any user clicks on this particular address, it have to redirect to their Studio Google Maps location, and that is what the requirement is all about. And now let's see how we can fulfill the requirement in less than 2 minutes of time. So first thing, we have to get the Google Maps address, and I have requested the address from the client and he have shared me this particular Google Maps URL. So let me take the copy of the URL and first let me paste the URL right here. It exactly shows the address of Click and Capture Studio. Here we are seeing Edurself Dilsukhnagar, but the Click and Capture Studio is located right beside the Edurself, and it is a new studio which is opened very recently in Hyderabad. So the Google pin was not yet set by the Click and Capture Studio. So they have given me the URL of the location. Alright, so let me quickly close the URL, and now we are in the Click and Capture Studio website. And also you see the look and feel of the Click and Capture Studio has been changed from the last video, right? Today I have a call with Click and Capture Studio client Praveen, and he have asked me to change the look and feel of the website Click and Capture Studio. So I have tried few themes, and out of which I have chosen one theme, and I have applied the theme here and did some kind of customizations to the menu as well as to the text and then the buttons. And if you have any questions in terms of customizations on this particular website, please do let me know so that I will do the video for you specially. And I'll post the video right below this video. Alright, now let's quickly fulfill the requirement given by the client where we have to convert this particular text to a clickable link. Now in order to do that, we have to navigate to the WordPress. So by clicking on the WordPress icon, we are landed on the WordPress dashboard. And from the dashboard, we have to click on Appearance. And in the appearance we do have an option called Elementor Header and Footer Builder. So let me click on this option. It takes me to this page, and in this page, like, we have to click on footer and we have to click on edit. And now we have landed on this page, and here we have to click on edit with Elementor. Now here we clearly see that we have a lot of options to edit each and every element. So we have to update the address of the Click and Capture Studio to a clickable link. So let me click on edit, and from the left side panel I want to click on address, and it shows me few of the details where I can see the link where we are going to paste the Google Maps. And once it is done, all we have to do is to click on publish. It is so simple. So let me quickly open a new tab, and I want to navigate to clickandcapturestudio.com, and here I want to completely scroll down until we see the footer. And from the footer we can clearly see the address is now converted into a clickable link. Now if any user clicks on the address, it opens a new page where it redirects to the Dilsukhnagar Click and Capture Studio office location. So making an address a clickable link which is on the footer of the website is so simple by using the Elementor plugin. And if you find this video helpful, please continue watching all my digital marketing classes, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.